guys, Happy New Year!
Salam everybody, Happy New Year.
So I'm starting off the new year with getting some lab work done.
Yep.
I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with my fertility journey, but the last time I spoke about this, an endocrinologist had asked me to get some blood work done right before I see him for my next appointment. So I actually have an appointment with him for next week. Wednesday, is it?
Yeah, next week Wednesday.
So next week Wednesday. So today is Thursday, and I was supposed to get this done yesterday, but we were so busy that we didn't have the chance to get it done.
Yeah.
So we woke up bright and early to get this done. Inshallah, the nurse is good. You guys know I have a fear of needles, like an extreme fear of needles. So anytime I know I'm supposed to get blood work done, my anxiety level rises. Like,
But she's good. She's done it like 20 times.
I know, you would think like I would get used to it, but I'm not. Anyways, I'm talking way too much about this phobia of mine.
We're gonna meet with the endocrinologist. He's gonna give us a follow-up on the results, let us know what the status is and what the next move is, inshallah. I mean, inshallah kulla khair, but he told Omaya last time her prolactin level was going down, so that's always a good sign.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna see what happens.
Yep.
She's been eating better, which is good.
Yeah. We're gonna go get this done, show you guys as much as I can. We're back, guys. It's done and over with.
Yep.
Here is my battle wound, as they say. The guy was really good, but nevertheless, I was still scared.
You're just scared of any type of needle.
As soon as he was done with the needle, I got up and rushed out of the room, and they were like, "Where are you going?" I'm like, "I'm done, aren't I?" And he's like, "Yeah." And I'm like, "Yeah, that's how bad I don't like being in this room. Like, it just gives me..."
She like runs away.
Anxiety, like, really.
Is it because you're looking at it or because it's the poke?
It's because the needle is so long.
It's not that
And
bad.
then they need to fill up 3 tubes. So I don't know, just seeing
like 15
the
seconds.
blood being drawn, it's just...
What about the one that when you do and like you're getting like teeth work done, the big ass one that they...
Oh, so that's another thing. I don't like going to the dentist, which is funny, right? Because I had
braces
for like 3 years, but the thought of going to the dentist and having me in anesthesia, is that how you say it?
I think so.
Anesthesia really like gets me nervous because of the needle that they use. It's so big.
Yeah, that one, I feel that one more. It's hitting like your gum or whatever.
Like no, like needles, not my friend. I don't like the dentist. I don't like the doctors. I don't like anything that has to do with needles, other than what's that place I go to? Acupuncture. The needles are like this tiny, like this little, and it's so thin you don't feel it. I should get the results back in 2 to 3 days, he said.
Probably by Monday, because today's Thursday.
Which is great, because my appointment with the endocrinologist is next week Wednesday. So inshallah we'll have some good news. Hopefully, I'm praying for good news by then. But you know what's funny, guys? I didn't share this with you last time because it was a little too late to add it on to the vlog. So when the endocrinologist advised me to get on this pill to lower my prolactin, because my problem with conceiving is that I have very high prolactin. So when he had asked me to get blood work done, which is what you guys saw on the last fertility journey video. So he asked me to get blood work done before getting on the pills. So when I went to get my blood work done, my prolactin was low, and it was low enough for it to be average. But nevertheless, he still asked for me to get on the pills just so I can maintain.
But that's progress, though.
Maintain the prolactin level at that, like at a low rate. By the way, for those of you who have been telling me that, you know, caffeine is not good for you, yada yada yada, all the doctors I talked to said as long as I stay within 2 cups of coffee a day, it's fine.
Well, you don't even drink that.
But I don't even drink 2 cups a day. I drink 1.
And it's decaf.
And it's decaf. I forgot to tell you guys, I get decaf coffee ever since, I don't know, how long ago? 6 months or so?
Like a good 3 months.
Something like that. So I get decaf now. So it shouldn't really matter. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, we're going to go get coffee.
You're going to go get coffee. Then you got a video to work on.
Oh, yes. I have a video to work on.
Come on, tell them. You got to do some cardio.
I got to do cardio.
Come on now. Tell them the exciting stuff of the day. You got to eat at home.
I feel like I'm getting my period. So, like, my mood is all over the place. I'm happy. I'm bubbly. I'm mad. I'm frustrated. I'm moody.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Okay, so we're back home. I put some makeup on and magically my energy is back. Something happens when you put makeup on and then all of a sudden, like, you feel alive. Like, anyways, I'm getting ready to make some lunch for Muhammad and myself. Make some lunch. And the best part, the reason why I'm so happy is because my HelloFresh box just arrived to my front door when I got home. It's literally like my favorite day. My favorite day is when HelloFresh box is outside of my door, because that means I don't have to come up with a recipe and I don't have to be in the kitchen for longer than 30 minutes. So it just facilitates the process of making my meals so much easier. Every recipe is packed with fresh produce directly from the farm, so I know that what I'm eating is healthy, and most importantly, it cuts my time in the kitchen by half. So I'm going to show you the 3 meals that I ordered. They're all vegetarian, and I'll show you how to make it. And no kidding, it's gonna be less than 30 minutes, so let's get on it. You know, to be honest, I enjoy HelloFresh mainly because it makes living healthy easier with many low calories, carb smart, vegetarian, and pescatarian options every week. Here are the 3 options that I picked for this week: silky Sicilian penne, Mediterranean baked veggies, and my ultimate favorite, black beans and poblano quesadillas. That's what I'll be making for lunch today. Another reason why I love HelloFresh is because they cut out stressful meal planning and prepping, so you can enjoy cooking and get dinner on the table in just about 30 minutes or even 20 minutes with their quick and easy options. Their pre-portioned ingredients means there's less prep for you and less wasted food. Also, HelloFresh is super flexible. You can easily change your delivery days or food preferences and skip a week whenever you need to. Another cool thing about HelloFresh is that they're committed to giving back. They donated over 2.5 million meals to charity in 2019, and this year they're stepping up their food donations amid the coronavirus crisis. If it wasn't for HelloFresh, to be honest, I would have never made this, because
I always tell you to eat quesadillas.
we usually order quesadillas when we go to Chipotle, like Mexican restaurants that we love. I just never made it at home. I don't know why. Like, I don't know why. HelloFresh honestly makes everything appear so easy. No, and it does help that it's already pre-packaged and everything is like sorted out, like the amount of ingredients.
Yeah.
You made yours so messy, baby.
But it tastes so good though.
Mine is so spicy. You added a lot of Tabasco.
I literally added 2 dots.
It might be the pepper then.
I don't think you do hot that much. Like, you do a tiny dot.
Yo, this is bomb. This is so good. Okay guys, I want to give HelloFresh a try. Then all you have to do is go to HelloFresh.com and use my discount code Omaya10 to get 10 free meals plus free shipping.
10 meals?
It's 10 free meals.
Not 10%.
10 free meals with my code Omaya10 plus free shipping.
Yo, that's like the best like trial Like, no lie, like that's like the best. Try us out. We'll give you 10 meals of your choice. And then hopefully you like it.
They're awesome. Like, honestly, guys, I do not work with companies that I don't previously work with before and I liked, or companies that I don't know of and I'm like sketchy about.
Yeah.
HelloFresh is a company that I've used several times. It's so easy and convenient, especially if you're busy, if you love food but you don't have time to cook and you find yourself eating out a lot, and you know, sometimes it's convenient to eat out a lot, but it's not as healthy.
Yeah.
And also this is cost saving. So you're getting fresh food straight from the farm.
Yeah.
Everything's delivered to you fresh.
I'll tell you the best thing I like about HelloFresh. They give you like options of what meals you want, like if you're vegan, if you're vegetarian, if you want to like have chicken or whatever the case may be. But like all the meals that we've cooked from them, I want to say it's like less than 25 minutes. It's like around 25, 30 minutes. Yeah. So it's quick. And the other thing too is this kind of really helps us because Omaya and I, literally like a week and a half ago, we were like, yo, we got to stop eating out. We got to eat more at home and we got to eat healthier options because we're trying to drop some weight. So whenever we want to balance our food and nutrition, like there's so many options that we have when we're selecting what foods we want to get. Yeah. And you don't get bored of it, you know? So you kind of like choose, all right, let me get these meals, and then we make them, we eat them, and it's fun and it's light. Good. And yeah, you don't feel good because it's not like we get black beans all the time from different places. Yeah. You can tell with the taste. And of course, she's Hispanic. She's been eating all her life. So you can tell when it's like heavy or fresh.
Organic.
Or it has lots of salt, stuff like that, like the sodium. Yeah. So I don't know. I mean, I like it, and it really helps us too. You know, just kind of manage what we eat.
You know, and you're right, the sour cream is not heavy.
Well, it's not. That's the first thing I noticed. I was like, the sour cream is kind of light. It's like, it's not when you go to like Chipotle and Moe's and all that where they throw the sour cream and it's like heavier. Yeah. And it makes your bowl like just kind of heavy. This is like, it was like a light little.
And even the cheese, like,
no, it's not.
Everything is in moderation. Everything is like made to, like, for one serving, for one person.
So you can't go crazy.
You cannot go crazy. Yeah. So if you're trying to cut, you know, if you still like cheese but you don't want to eat too much, then they send you specifically for you, for one person, for one serving. So that way you can still have what you like, but in small quantities. That's so good. I really love this. I'm going to order more of this.
I'm waiting for the videos just so I can go ham on this one.
I know. Since the beginning of the year, Mohammed and I made a commitment to eating healthier and also trying our best to go to the gym. So since the beginning of the year till now, we have been to the gym every day.
Every day?
Mohammed actually has been there twice, sometimes twice a day.
AM and PM. I'm trying.
The reason why we decided to work on ourselves this year is because we were looking back at old photos. And we were just like amazed at how we used to look and how much we complained about how we looked back then. And now we're like, how did we complain at that stage that we were big or we were unhealthy when at that stage we look way better than we look now?
Yeah. It made no sense.
It makes no sense. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you can relate, right?
100%. I mean, literally, I was looking at the pictures and I was like, yo, I look good here. And I was like, wait. That's around the time where I was like, man, I'm not happy with how I look and all this. I was like, I wish I could go back to that. So, I mean, first of all, love yourself for how you look currently, but at the same time, push yourself to your best version, right?
Best potential.
Yeah, like for me, you know, I was so motivated because I was into sports and I was playing a lot more. Now I'm kind of just getting heavier, and it's not good for me because I'm starting to notice it like on my lower back, a little bit lazier. So that's why Omaya and I were like, we need to just be more active. So that's why we've definitely been doing that. If you guys want to hear more about what we're doing in detail, put a comment below on Omaya's video. We'll definitely make a dedicated video about what we're doing. If you're like my size, if you're her frame, like all that good stuff. So
yeah, I mean, I think I am going to vlog our fitness journey progress because too. Progress, like weighing ourselves now, and we should have done that when we started, but it's okay. We didn't lose that much. Well, actually, no.
I weigh myself every Monday.
This week you lost
6.5
pounds, and I lost about 2 pounds. So,
which is good.
It's good, and I could probably work a little bit harder this upcoming week. But I'm thinking about filming our weight currently.
Okay.
And then showing you what we're eating, how much we're exercising, what exercises are we doing, going to the gym. I can show you guys what we're doing. Hopefully it could motivate you guys.
For sure.
If you need that extra push to lose a few pounds, then inshallah, hopefully we could be that motivation for you and we can 100%. All work out together.
100%.
But I would say the key is putting in the work. Like it's not
100%.
enough to say, I need to lose weight. You actually have to do something about that. Try to find a workout buddy, a workout partner that can, you know, maybe go to the gym with you or go for walks with you around your neighborhood, around the park.
And the thing is too, if
eating
you
healthy.
can't, and if you are in an area where you can't go to the gym or you just don't want to go to the gym because of like COVID and you want to isolate a little bit away from people, there is so many more exercises you could do at home. Even in your room. Whatever that is, there's resistant bands that you can utilize. There's just body weight exercises.
There's even apps.
There's apps. I mean, what we use is an app. I follow an app. He pretty much tells me what to do from Monday through Sunday, and we keep going. So there is something for everyone out there. So there is no limitations. I was always like that guy, making excuses, but every time I make an excuse, I'm like, that's an excuse. It's BS,
it's
you know?
Setback,
So let's push each other because we definitely need to put ourselves first and our health first. So.
Yes. Right now we're gonna finish this food, wait an hour and a half, and then go to the gym. I'll take you guys along with us.
That'll be dope.
What are we working out today?
Legs and abs.
Legs and abs. So we'll see you guys at the gym.
We said earlier we're working out legs. So Mo, what's the first exercise?
We're gonna do a little bit of squats here.
Okay.
And
we're using this for squatting?
Yeah, we're just gonna do this first.
Okay.
To get our legs going.
Okay.
And then we got leg press. We got some lunges. We got some leg curls. And we got some calf raises. And then we got some abs.
Oh my god, and then it just keeps going.
That's it. And then we're done.
And then we're done. I like that. And then we're done. Okay, Mo, show us how to do this. By the way, this is what Mo drinks in a day. This whole thing. And I try my best to finish at least 3 of these. So, make sure you go lower. There you go.
So I'm not doing 100. We're gonna go to 20.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's all my body can take right now.
You're good. Work on the form. Got it?
I'm glad that we made it to the gym. I'm not gonna lie, I was dreading coming to the gym while, you know, as we were in the house. I'm like, I really don't want to go to the gym. Like, I'm not in the mood to work out and sweat and the whole thing. But once I made it to the gym, I was glad that we were in here. And so I'm vlogging using my phone, and I didn't notice how bad the quality is at night.
It's okay.
We're gonna need to get a vlogging camera. Whoa, look at your sweater.
I'm tired.
Oh my god, Mo. Dude.
Look at your sweater.
My sweater is dry. Except for the armpits. The armpits are sweaty. For everything. No, my back is sweaty. But Muhammad, like, it's amazing how much he can sweat. It's amazing. Anyways, we're gonna go home, shower, and relax.
That's it.